In this video, I'll review this 100-piece dual-sided PC board kit. What I really like about this kit, it has a wider range of boards and different adapters that I need to start soldering up some of my projects that are on breadboards. Now I paid $14 for this kit. I'll put a product link in the description below. So we have 4 different sizes of boards. These are 5 by 7 centimeter boards. Has 5 of these. These are 4 by 6 centimeters. 10 of these are 2 by 8 centimeters. 10 of these, this is 3 by 7. Now these are marked with letters of the alphabet up to the length of the board. Now for making wired connections, we have 5 that are 3-pole and 5 that are 2-pole. You can lock your wires in place with a screwdriver and then insert them right in here and then solder them to the board. Those are really handy. It also comes with 30 header connectors. There are 3 types. These are 40-pin female adapters where you can insert your transistors or components in here directly, or if you have an Arduino. It has 10 of these, which have a short male on one end and a tall one on the other end. That'd be handy. And then in this bag, these are angled connectors. So these are at a right angle, the short one here and the long one there. Now in the last bag, we have 30 jumper caps. If you have any logic circuits or you need to short them together, well then you can use these little jumper caps. And here's a complete list here on the back. So I think this is a really good value. It gives you a lot of different boards that you can work with. And for $14, it really can't be beat.